Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at this hair. I pulled off my lock sock and this is what happened. It just dropped into place. Can you beat that? No, you can't. No, you cannot beat that. Now that is what I call wake up and go hair. But this hair is not going to wake up and go. I'm ready to take these braids out and I'm going to show you exactly what my hair looks like after I take them out. I intended to just loosen the ends and then go, but then I decided I'm going to take the braids out. That is my decision today. I think that's my decision. I already took out some ends. Some of these ends came out as a result of me taking them out while I was talking on the phone with nothing to do with my hands. But before I get into this video, let me just thank you for your support. Thank you, subscribers, for just hanging in there with me through whatever. Yeah, you're just tried and true. And I really appreciate you. I really do. And if you haven't subscribed to this video or my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Become a member of the Gene G family. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you will know whenever I upload a video. I'm also on Instagram. And I'm going to put my information for Instagram right here. I have a Facebook page, and I want you to join that as well. Not only that, I have started my natural hair care business, and I have a page for that as well. And I'm going to add that information into this video. Yes, thank you. One other thing I want to tell you. I'm excited, guys. I am really excited. God has been so good, and that He has afforded me so many opportunities. And I bless His name for it. Yes. Now you see what this is looking like. I think I changed my mind in that I am just going to take out the black ends. And then in my next video, I may just take it all out. But I wanted you to see exactly what my hair was looking like. And I won't be sitting here taking them all out in front of you and making you watch. But I will come back with the final results for you. But have a very good day, and thank you for watching. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers. But God, I especially love God. He keeps me. And I just want to thank Him and let you know that He's not available only to me, but He's also available to you. Yes, He is. Yes, He is. Thank you for watching. I will come back with the final results. Just keep watching. Now, in the back of my hair, I'm trying to make sure that I take loose all of the ends of each braid. So this is what I'm doing. Put it in a ponytail, and then I'm going to pull one out at a time. Some of them are done already. And that's just how I'm going to ensure that I take the ends out of every braid. Keep watching. I'm back, and this is my look for today. I still have my 62 braids, and I loosed the ends of all of my braids for this curly and fuller look. And I also wanted to tell you that today I begin my online Sisterlock training. So today is the first day of my online Sisterlock training. Therefore, in a few weeks, if all goes well, and I do believe that all is going to go well, that I will be coming before you and saying that Jean G is now a Sisterlock trainee. And I am so excited about it, and I thank you for supporting me.